How to disable recommended videos on YouTube. Welcome back to Glitch Sorcerer, and let's get right into this tutorial. All you have to do is open up your YouTube application and make sure that you are currently signed in. Now once you are in here, to disable your recommended video, tap on your user icon and head on settings. From here, scroll down, tap on Manage All History. These histories actually set an algorithm for your YouTube app, and that is how you get all of the recommended videos. Now we have to delete all of this to start a fresh YouTube journey. Just tap on Delete and tap on Delete All Times. Then again, for confirmation, select Got It. Now, if you head over to your YouTube main feed and give it a refresh, you will find something like this. So there you have it. A fresh start for your YouTube journey without any recommendation video for you. You can go ahead and follow this step-by-step procedure. If you face any of the difficulty regarding it, check for available update. And that wraps up this tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.